Hello and welcome to Sumon Vlogs. This is Sumon. This video will be doing the unboxing of my all new iPhone 15 Plus. So yeah.
You say I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just a joke.
Guys, so just got my 15 Plus. बैग भी यहाँ पे रख लिया हूँ गिर ना जाए. तो अभी घर जाके करते हैं अनबॉक्सिंग.
Shivers my spine so bad. Swimming in the river stakes too much. I'm trying to let go of us, but the truth is what's real and you want
To this the C-type cable, the braided one, and obviously you get these things, stickers and all those things. So that's the plain black one. I bought the cover also, the Max I want from Spicer. This recording is from my iPhone 15 Plus. And this is my old phone, iPhone SE2. दो प्रॉब्लम की वजह से I hated it. The first was the battery life, which is worst. दिन में 2-3 बार चार्ज करना पड़ता था. Second thing is the screen size. Kind of बहुत छोटा है according to 2023 standards. So this is my video from my iPhone 15 Plus from the front camera. I hope it is okay. We can also record 4K 60 frames here. So then I bought the base variant is because obviously costly tha. 256 GB was like 10k more than this. And other than that, I had a MacBook Air M1, so transfer भी easily हो जाएगा. That's why I don't think कि मुझे 256 GB चाहिए.
in fire, my darling, rose and fire. You're a liar. You say, my darling, rose and fire.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do like, comment and subscribe. And that's my iPhone 15 Plus. It obviously looks great to me, I must say. So if you did, then do like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, bye bye.
You say